We're excited to introduce to you a new earthquake insurance carrier that we picked up. It's recent and they've been in business for a long time. We just haven't had access to them. We now have access. They have lower deductibles. They have coverage for brick. Their premiums are outstanding. And so if you've thought about getting earthquake, now is the time to give us a call because the rates have never been as low and who knows when that earthquake is actually going to hit. Give us a call at the number below and we're going to take good care of you.